Hello, today I'm going to talk about superlative and comparative adverbs. I will explain how they work, when to use them, some of the main rules, and I will mention some examples. First, I'm gonna talk about when to use superlative and comparative adverbs. Comparative adjectives are used to compare difference between the two objects they modify. They are used in sentences where two nouns are compared. Its structure is noun plus verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus noun. For example, my house is larger than hers. Or your dog is faster than Lalo's dog. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the upper or lower limit of a quality. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Its structure is noun plus verb plus the superlative adjective plus noun. For example, my house is the largest one in our neighborhood. Or this is the smallest box I have ever seen. Forming comparatives and superlative is easy. The form depends on the number of syllables in the original adjective. When the adverb have only one syllable, we add er for the comparative and est for the superlative. If the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant spelling, the final consonant must be double before adding the ing. For example, adjective tall, comparative taller, superlative tallest. Adjective fat, comparative fatter, superlative fattest. Adjective big, comparative bigger, superlative biggest. Adjective with three or more syllables from the comparative by putting more in front of the adjective, and the superlative by putting most in front. For example, adjective important, comparative more important, superlative most important. Adjective expensive, comparative more expensive, superlative most expensive. These very common adjectives have completely irregular comparative and superlative forms. For example, adjective good, comparative better, superlative best. Adjective bad, comparative worse, superlative worst. Adjective little, comparative less, superlative least. Adjective much, comparative more, superlative most. It's an easy topic for me because I could quickly understand the structure. Also knew how to identify the types of comparative and superlative adverbs. I could easily memorize it and understand each difference.